Hello, this is Willed and Well Armed. We're here today with the Browning High Power Mark II. This was an Israeli military or police import. It was imported by Mach 1 and purchased on the GB auction site. So anyway, I've had a few upgrades done by MK3 Firearms, and Kevin and Matt were very good to me. So we put on the RMRC, or excuse me, the RMSC. We put on the B&H springs, all their things. So this does have the safety trigger. So all you have to do is push the hammer forward. It goes on safe. Take it off safe, and the hammer goes back. So it's very easy to carry one in the chamber in a single action and feel total confidence. Hammer down, trigger. But anyway, I've already done a review on this gun. Today we're going to look at the B&H spring upgrade. So this is the dual stage buffering Recoil Spring Guide Rod assembly, and this is by BH Spring Solutions. So we'll pull this apart. All right, so here are all the parts. And there's a light buffering spring, a medium buffering spring, and a heavy. We're going to give it a try with the heavy. And here is the top part with the heavy. There is a threaded end piece to this. So I've already, luckily I have two of these kits. So you can see here is the heavy kit. And so we will take it apart and put this part in. Now we got the slide release taken out. We'll pull off the slide. Look at the buffer. The little circle goes to the bottom. We'll pull that out. Pop in the new one. Put the spring back in. Make sure it's the same way as before with the little hole to the bottom. Everything's flush and lined up. Yeah, right. Now we'll test it. Here we go. We'll try the safety. Push the hammer forward, it's on safe. Take the hammer off safe. And the hammer is activated. That's how the SFS safety works. So we'll take it to the range and shoot 50 rounds and see how it does. My point of aim is at the top of the red circle. All right, this is magazine 4, 5, and 6, 5 rounds. All right, that's the first 30 rounds, feeling pretty good. We're taking out the 25. So 3 rounds, and the rest are head shots, 1 ear shot and 1 in the high chest. Those first 3 were way off, but not bad for 25. And this is the high power that went to MK3 firearms. It's a great shooter. This is an Israeli surplus that was rescued and has a whole new life. Very accurate. That bullseye right there. Anyway, have a great weekend, and we'll see you.